How to remove teeth plaque naturally at home. Best remedies for teeth plaque removal. How to remove teeth plaque naturally. The plaque is a sticky, soft and almost invisible film of bacteria that accumulates on the teeth, gums, and tongue, as well as in dental restorations such as dentures, crowns, and fillings. The bacteria found in this film are often responsible for cavities, tooth decay and periodontal or gum disease. The longer this substance stays in the mouth, the more problems it will cause. Certain bacteria in the plaque feed on fermentable carbohydrates and produce an acid that breaks down in the tooth enamel and causes cavities. This happens when the bacteria combine with saliva minerals as a result of being on the surface of the tooth for a long time, and then appears tartar. But with a little effort on your part, you can learn how to get rid of plaque naturally. Teeth plaque removal. 1. Brush with baking soda. Include a baking soda and salt mixture in your daily brushing routine. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with the half teaspoon of salt in a small bowl. Wet your toothbrush and dip this into the mixture and rub the teeth with this mixture. Periodically spit and dip the toothbrush into the mixture and continuously scrub the teeth for a few minutes to get rid of the accumulated plaque. Do not use this mixture for more than a week each month, or you can use the enamel on your teeth. In addition, salt can cause the gums to swell, so stop using it if this happens. 2. Apply an organic paste of coconut oil to your teeth. Combine 2 tablespoons of virgin, or unrefined coconut oil, and baking soda in a bowl. Dip your toothbrush into the paste and brush as usual to prevent tartar and plaque formation. This will also create an alkaline environment, which fights against bacteria and acids. 3. Make a scrub of sesame seeds. Get a teaspoon of sesame seeds and grind them in the mouth with your teeth, but do not swallow them. Brush the leftover particles with a dry toothbrush. The sesame seeds powder will act as a soft, safe and delicious abrasive to clean and polish the surface of the teeth, while also removing the existing plaque. 4. Rub your teeth with the inside of an orange peel. Rub the inner or white part of an orange peel on the surface of the teeth for a minimum of 2 minutes before brushing your teeth. The orange peel contains vitamin C that can help prevent plaque buildup and teeth whitening as well. 5. Eat an apple or a few slices of melon every day. Munching on an apple or a few slices of melon after each meal can help remove plaque naturally and effectively. These fruits can clean your teeth naturally by removing leftover foods from your teeth. They also help keep gums healthy too, by stimulating them with enough force to promote consistent blood flow. 6. Brush with aloe vera. Aloe vera is known to have many healing properties for the body, including teeth and gums. Just sprinkle a few drops of aloe vera gel on your toothbrush and brush your teeth for several minutes. This will help keep plaque buildup under control. 7. Use strawberries or tomatoes. These are fruits that are naturally rich in vitamin C, which is a very important ingredient for oral health. Try rubbing this type of fruit directly on your teeth and let stand for several minutes. This will help plaque and tartar buildup soften. Then you can rinse your mouth and brush your teeth to remove plaque. 8. Brush your teeth regularly. The most important factor in plaque removal and prevention is rigorous daily brushing. You need to brush daily to remove plaque as it forms, so that it does not turn into hardened tartar, which usually has to be removed by a dentist or hygienist. Brush your teeth at least twice a day, making sure to get around the gums and tongue as well. 9. Floss regularly. Plaque buildup often occurs between the teeth and along the gum line. This is because these are difficult places for toothbrushes to reach. For this reason, it is important to floss daily to get rid of all plaque that accumulates in hard-to-reach places.